Yes, I'm here in Vrindavan, and I can see this every night, but I don't get tired of looking at it. Deva Divikaram Namasyati Shiradikaya Sada Vishtam. Oh, sailors. The sailors. They take warning if the sun is red in the morning. But the red sun at night is the sailor's delight. Yeah, the red sun at night is the sailor's delight. There's something to everything. UV rays are at sunrise. Infrared rays are just having these infrared rays hitting me right now are so beneficial. It's like sitting under a red light. Remember, infrared, it's a lower frequency, so it isn't permanent. It doesn't go so deep. The ultraviolet is very high waves, and it goes very deep, and it can do permanent damage. But not infrared. It's very soft. And it's related to Ketu. Rahu has ultraviolet related to him. And Ketu has infrared related to him. And they say it's like a road. And the road is, you've come in on the road of Rahu. And if you transverse the road of Rahu in the right way, you'll leave on Rahu's wish. So it's like a road. They say the planet sits on a road. One side is Rahu, the other side is Ketu. And we're traveling on that road. It's just, yeah. That infrared will help me sleep better tonight. The ultraviolet also has its time when it's very beneficial. The ultraviolet right at sunrise changes your melatonin, which is your sleep frequency, to serotonin. So you need it. You have to see the blue sky. The blue sky, yes. That incredible blue sky. Well, even if it's cloudy, just get out there and get the sun rays. Those sun rays. And then from 10 till 2, of course, 10 to 2 nowadays is hot as heck. Yeah. This next week, it's going to get over 43. So, not going to be out at 10 till 2. But 10 till 2 is to help you work. It gives muscle. It helps you work in that way. Then after about 2 o'clock, when you have to intermingle the real time with you could call it fake time. It's hard to describe everything because it's changing. Real time has life. The muhurta, the day muhurta right now is 53. 30 different divisions, 15 of them is day divisions. They're 53 minutes long. And that's easy to figure out the night divisions because 48 is the equal time. You know, like sunrise at 6, sunset at 6. So 48 is the equal time. So 5 minutes more is the time now, day. And 5 minutes less is the time now for the muhurtas of the night. So the muhurtas of the night are now shorter by 5 minutes in this area. The 28th latitude north. So then you can figure out 2 muhurtas after sunset is like a window to eat. Not heavy, but a window to eat. And that comes out to about 8:20 tonight. 8:20, finish eating, no more. Don't eat after 8:20. Or you can have a hot milk or something like that. But nothing that takes digestion, heavy digestion. That is real time. And that prepares you. Just that infrared that we've seen now is going to help us sleep nicely. It'll help us go into the delta. Yes. Our sleep time is divided into 3 parts, 30 minutes each. You know, this is just an average of 30 minutes each. And in those 30 minutes each, the first part is the most important. That is the cleanup time. All the, especially in the brain. The cleanup time can last even all the way up till sunrise if you don't break the fast, the mitochondria fast. The cleanup can last up till that time. But not for people over 50, you can't do it. Because what happens if you don't have something that has protein when you wake up and you want to use a muscle, that muscle will take energy from another muscle. So you lose muscle fat, or what they call muscle mass. Anybody over 50 loses muscle mass. So we can't do the mitochondria fasting. But those young people, the mitochondria fasting is very good. Yeah, nothing heavy until around 12 o'clock in the day, and then 8 o'clock at night. So that's 8 hours eating, 16 hours fasting. And that really cleans up the brain. But for us, old people, not cold water in the morning. No cold water in the morning. Even a little bit warm. Even if it's hot outside, a little bit warm. And you take your water with a little salt in it. And what I do is I put one of those powdered, freeze-dried coconuts. Perfect. You get your magnesium, you get the potassium, you get your sodium, everything in one little packet. If you buy the coconut nowadays, it's up to 80 rupees a coconut. But you take the little packet, it comes out to be about 20 rupees. And when it's freeze-dried, the essence, what you want, is actually still there. Some people are doing heat-dried water coconut powder. But that doesn't destroy it completely, but it really gives trouble to it. And tonight it looks like we have a wedding or something right in front of the house. Okay, goodbye, Surya. Goodbye. Haribo.